Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to turn TikTok notification off. Tap on your profile. There you'll go to settings. Tap on three-line icon, settings and privacy. Tap on it. There you'll see security and permission. Here you can see the option of notification. Tap on it. Here you can see in-app notification, likes, comments. We don't want likes or comments notification. Turn it off. New followers, tags and mention as well. Turn all the notification off, whichever you don't want. Then over here, if you don't want notification at all, then what you can do is go to your settings, then go to app. Here you see the option of notification. Here you can see app notification. Search for TikTok. Here you can see the notification of TikTok is on. Then I will tap it, or if you tap on it, the button swipes off and the blue light goes off. Like this, you have turned off notification of whole TikTok. You won't get any notification from TikTok. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.